My key takeaway of the whole experience was how quiet it was.
It makes a sort of just a heavenly roar.
The engine springs to life, like, okay, let's go.
We're talking about, a sports sedan that just absolutely kills it.